Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix eFootball 2026 app crashing or crashes at a startup on Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device and then you can go ahead launch the eFootball 2026 game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for the eFootball 2026 app update. So open Play Store. Tap on search for eFootball 2026 and tap on it. Then tap on eFootball. This is the eFootball 2026 app, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to check for the internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then you can go ahead launch the eFootball 2026 app and check if your problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check eFootball 2026 app is working or not. Fourth solution is to force stop eFootball 2026 app. So tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it. Then you can go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then tap on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tap on clear data as well. But you have to take a note over here that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So perform this action very carefully. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the eFootball app and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to allow the background activity for the eFootball 2026 app. So tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then click on allow to confirm. Then go back, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as VPN, Surfshark VPN, Aloha Browser VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, VPN Lumis, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then select different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead and launch the eFootball 2026 app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall eFootball 2026 app. So tap and hold the eFootball 2026 app and then click on uninstall, and then again tap on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for eFootball and tap on it, and here you will see the install button. Click on install to reinstall it, and once the eFootball app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch it and then check if a problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved after following all these fixes, then the last thing you must do is to check for the eFootball app server status. And if you find that eFootball app server is down, having outage, under maintenance or having any kind of downtime, then you can't do anything. If you just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve eFootball 2026 game crashing or crashes at a startup on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.